Here's a look at the table at the 24-inch height setting. And now you're looking at the table at its maximum height setting of 36 inches. Hey everyone, today in this video, we're going to be checking out the Lifetime Height Adjustable Folding Utility Table. This is the 4-foot version in the color white Granite. If you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about this table, the link to it will be in the video description. This is the retail box and packaging. Now let's go ahead and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. We have one folding table. We have our height adjustable legs. Pay attention to how they're snapped in place right now for easy storage, keeping them nice and tucked away while you transport the table. Here's a close-up look of the legs. We have the Lifetime logo and branding. The clips that keep everything securely in place for easy storage and transportation, one on each side. We have the feet, you can see, some additional product information and warnings. Pay attention on this particular model, we do not have a built-in handle or strap for carrying this table. Installation's simple though. The first step is to go ahead and pull the leg out as shown. And then you want to make sure that you have it nice and tight, just like that. So this can then come and rest right here, keeping everything in place. Repeat that step on the other side as well. All right, so we have the table all set up. It takes just a couple of seconds. Currently, we have everything set to the lowest height setting. Table looks nice. Lifetime logo and branding on both sides of the tabletop. Underneath, you can get a feel for the legs. Nice metal, very sturdy. See it from the other side. Now let's go over the height adjustment. So to adjust the height of this table, we have two different metal buttons, levers, whatever you want to call them. They're spring loaded to press in, and then we can extend or shrink the height of the table. So we have our maximum height option here, our middle height option, and currently we have it set to our lowest height option. So let's go ahead and let's look at all three of the height settings. Here's a look at the table at the 24-inch height setting. This is the lowest height setting. Now you're looking at the table at the 29-inch height setting. This is our middle height setting. And now you're looking at the table at its maximum height setting of 36 inches. For this table only weighing 24.9 pounds, I'm impressed with how sturdy and strong it is. I was able to sit at the center of the table, on the table itself. I weigh around 150 pounds. It supported my weight with no issues at all, so I see why it comes with a 10-year warranty. Disassembly is just as easy as installation. Only going to take you a couple of seconds to have this all packed up and ready to be transported. Only thing I'd want to see added to this table in the future is some sort of convenient carrying handle. It's not bad gripping it along the sides to move the table, but most tables from Lifetime or their competitors do have a nice built-in handle in some capacity. Really solid, rigid, durable table. Gonna hold up for a lifetime. See what I did there? Nice little pun.